In the first chapter of the Yoga Sutras, there are a series of verses in which Patanjali explains different methods that can be used to clarify our mind or our field of consciousness. The first verse related to these series of verses is the 33rd verse of chapter 1, which essentially says that the field of consciousness is clarified by a welcoming attitude towards objects of happiness, the demonstration of compassion where there is pain, elation with virtue, and neutrality towards negativity or non virtue. So, whether you are a meditator or not, what I would want to encourage you to do is to think about these four things and try to practice them in your life. Try to practice having a welcoming attitude towards objects of happiness. Think about the things in your life that tend to make you happy and feel good about them and welcome them. Try to practice gratitude and so on. These will help you purify and clarify your mind and have a positive outlook towards life. Similarly, if you see someone who's in pain, try to practice compassion towards them. When you are able to practice the different virtues, whatever virtue you may consider, kindness, tranquility, fearlessness, whatever it is, there can be different virtues. But if you think that you are able to practice some of these virtues, if you see someone else practicing them, then try to feel a sense of elation. And if you feel that there is someone who is behaving in a negative way or in a non-virtuous way, then instead of reacting negatively by getting upset or getting angry and losing your center, try to react with neutrality so that you are able to dismiss that negative energy. So, these four will essentially help you cultivate more sattva in your mind and in your field of consciousness, which, yes, essentially helps us have a clear mind, and help us be more peaceful and calm within. So, do think about these four things: having a welcoming attitude towards objects of happiness, the demonstration of compassion where there is pain, elation with virtue, and neutrality towards negativity or non-virtue.